Hello Patricia, this is Yash and I am presenting my interpretations from the final report. So the Anderson-Darling normality test was performed on total of 6 columns to check if the data qualifies normality to be taken further for statistical analysis. So here you can see the results of 2 of those columns. The p-value proves that it passes the normality. Next is one-way ANOVA test, which was performed to prove that if there is the decreased intensity among the stages of brewing, so the results and p-values say that there is a significant difference. And this interval plot at the end specifies that there is the reduction as the brewing process proceeds. Next are the 2 sample tests. So the first one is to see that if the alcohol content in the dataset 1 is higher than in the dataset 2. It's actually a z-test due to the population. So it is a one-tailed test with 99% of confidence interval, and p-value proves that the alcohol content of 1 is higher than it 2. The next is the 2 sample t-test, and here we are checking if there is a significant difference in alcohol content of dry stouts versus an extra stout. So the p-value proves that there is the significant difference. Next are the chi-square tests for association. So the first one is to check the ratio of brew methods among beer styles. So here, as you can see the p-value, that there is no association. Hence all beer styles have similar ratio for brewing on all grain versus any other method. And the second chi-square is to check that if the distribution of IBU units among ale styles is same or different. So the results say that the p-value is higher than 0.05, so there is no association, and hence it proves that IBU values are similar in red ale and pale ale. And at the end, the Pearson correlation scores were taken for each feature rating with overall rating. So this individual correlation scores, when multiplied with their corresponding feature rating and divided by the total correlation scores, were used to find a calculated column of review average weighted ratings, and this column was used to shortlist the final 7 recipes from the first dataset, and they are as follows. So that will be all. Thank you very much.